Janesville police have been taking an in-depth look at gun violence in the community. They're trying to pinpoint trends that will help prevent future violence. Our Rock County reporter Jenna Middaugh is live in our bureau with a breakdown of what police found. Jenna?
Hi, Susan. Well, police have been looking at gun crimes here in Janesville over the past 9 months, and what they found is that most of the time the violence started because of an argument, and many of the suspects aren't even from Janesville.
I can tell you that this organization is not willing to wait around for another gun crime. We want to work to prevent another gun crime.
Since November, Janesville has seen 6 gun-related crimes, including 2 shootings and the city's first homicide since 2014.
While many communities would look upon this as not being much, it is of concern to Janesville.
So much of concern that police have been tracking data for 9 months to figure out what started the violence and how to keep the crime out of the city.
And that was an important piece of our research, is why Janesville? These folks oftentimes don't live here. Why are these crimes coming to our community?
What police found is that most of the suspects were in Janesville because they have friends or family who live here, and most of the shootings started because of an argument. So police have made it their mission to get out in the community and talk with people they know have gang affiliations or a history of violence before they're questioning them for a crime.
As long as we start communicating with them early, we might be able to take some preventative action against them rising to that level.
Janesville police have also started looking into shootings and homicides from surrounding communities to see if there are any ties to Janesville, looking for a way to help with the investigation and sending a message to criminals that police in Janesville are on top of crime.
Don't bring your guns to Janesville, and don't bring your drugs to Janesville.
Now, Janesville police note that in 5 of these 6 gun crimes, a suspect was arrested. The only suspect not in custody is Anthony Gibson, a Beloit man wanted for attempted homicide.
We'll continue to follow it. Jenna Middaugh in our Janesville bureau. Thanks, Jenna.